Donuts for life. And a family car at the same time. That is really dope. What is going on, guys? I'm walking into Wrenchettes. When I'm working a G35, the Vader, I'm a mature sport, but a life as well. And today I have a quick announcement. I have joined Okay, so I snaked you guys a little bit. This is not my car, but again, this is this guy. Not only did he buy the Blue Smurf, but he went out and bought a sedan inspired by me, but Gio, the G35 fan.
Yep, I did. He was showing out the hidden features. Like, I wish I would have that. Yeah, so we got it a couple of weeks ago. We've been in the process of getting it back to spec. Still needs a little bit of stuff, but yeah, it's part of the fleet, Wrenchettes fleet.
And not to mention, this thing is not your AWD one. This is actually the
rear wheel drive.
Donuts for life. And a family car at the same time. That is really dope. I'm gonna show you the goods and the bads of this thing. First off, the paint. It's like it's not just white, it's like a pearl white. You guys can see that thing just glistening right there. That thing is beautiful. On this side, you can see everything is perfect. However, it has a little hit right there. This is the only problem that this car has right now. And because it is from Copart, it was salvaged because, I'm guessing because the paint is a 3-stage paint. And just to get this thing painted and the headlight brand new, it totals out of the car immediately.
Anyways, guys, so we're gonna put some Carfax information right here on the screen so you can see a couple of interesting maintenance items that were done to the vehicle. So super excited about that.
Or Snow White.
Snow White, that's the official name. Snow White.
Inside, this thing is immaculate. Look at that thing. I mean, this thing, look at it. It's running. It has 158,000 miles. No problems. Like everything works on it. There barely any rips. It's like a neat car, man. So all of this came at a huge price of
$725 auction, $1,100 out the lot.
And actually, I forgot to mention, this is actually the sports package.
Yeah, sports package.
You know what it entails?
Yes. It has a turbo straight from Japan overnight parts.
Has a Motec system installed.
What is better, a Gallo 21 or a Gallo 15? That's just. Anyways, it has the aero package, so it has the wing spoiler. I think it has the rear lip, a little bit more aggressive side skirts, and the most important part, sport suspension. Yeah, so it has like stiffer springs. I believe it has nicer wings. I haven't confirmed, but I know it does have it. Like, we did a VIN decoder and found what the options are in the car. Anyways.
This is the struggles of trying to record in the Bronx.
Not even in the Bronx, in our street garage. Like, again, this car was across the street in the garage.
I mean, this is like my private freaking garage, man. Like, people can't be just coming onto my garage here. Any suggestions for this gentleman right here?
I am thinking, let me know if this is ricer or not, to get a little bit of a...
Rice out! No.
A little bit of rice. The only reason is because...
Rice!
I hate this little thing right here.
Rice!
This part. And I also want to get...
Rice!
A cover here.
A cover?
Yeah, a cover.
And the little, like, stuff here.
And then roof racks.
The roof rack? Rice!
I want to get yellow gold wheels.
Rice!
Paint the car blue.
Chef Mobile.
And make it a Subaru.
Make it a Subaru. God damn. Anyway, that's it for this video. If you enjoyed the type of content we give a like on this video, I'll say something, guys. God bless. Stay prayed up. Peace.